just another one of the great cars coming out of the David A. Haynes collection in our upcoming sale October 14th. All these cars will be sold, no minimum, no reserve, regardless of price. So be sure to go online and register to bid for this fabulous car along with others. Let me tell you about this car. This is a 73 Plymouth Satellite. It shows 55,000 miles on the odometer. It's got a 318 in it, 3-speed automatic, got a bench seat so you can slide your arm around your girlfriend while you're riding around on Saturday night. It's wrapped in this gorgeous rally red paint job, and at the end of the day, it's a dual headlight, 1970s car, full chrome bumpers. What a sweet ride. Be sure to check this in and all of them out at the web at thevaultms.com. Go to our auctions link and see the upcoming sales and all the other cars coming in the auction. Remember to like, subscribe, and share on all our social media platforms. And on YouTube, once you've subscribed, be sure and click the bell.